हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक। सो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने हेड टेल एंड कुछ कमांड्स देखे, बट अभी चैप्टर 11 में वी विल सी मोर, लेस एंड कट कमांड। सो ये तीनों कमांड भी फाइल ऑपरेशंस के ही कमांड हैं, लाइक फाइल से रिलेटेड हैं कि फाइल्स को आप किस तरीके से रीड कर सकते हो यूजिंग दीज कमांड्स। ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So first command is the more command. So in more command, like it is used to for viewing like text files in the terminal. Okay, so like how to means cat command, we already know that cat command also we use to read the contents of a file, and same goes with like more command as also, like it will help us to read the content of a file, but in like useful manner. So let's see that how we can use it. Okay, so we are in the terminal. So for this I will go into some of this big file so that like I can show you what is the use of it. So let's get into which of this. Okay, let's get into my agents. Okay, and here we have this license.html, right? So if you read it using cat license.html, so all the content will be pasted in front of you in once, right? You can see it's a very big file. Okay, but instead of cat command, if I will use more, okay, let's clear the screen and then use more and license.html, okay, and hit enter. Now you see what's happening here. hyphen more 8%, that means it starts from the top, like starting from the first line, only the 8% of the file is loaded. Why? Because the 8% of this content is able to fit into my screen. So more command will basically help you to get the content of a file which is means only that content which is fit into your screen. Okay, so that much content will be loaded, less rest of the content won't be loaded over there. So that is the mainly difference. Like cat command से आपने देखा कि डायरेक्टली पूरा का पूरा कंटेंट रीड करके वो आपके फाइल को रख दिया, बट यहाँ देखो आपको 8% ही इसने रीड किया, बाकी का सारा कंटेंट्स अभी नहीं रीड किया. ओके, सो अगेन लाइक इफ आई पुट स्पेस बार, सो नेक्स्ट लाइक 21%, सो 8% के बाद बाकी जो कंटेंट था उसके आगे की लाइन्स इसने ये वापस रीड करके मुझे दिखाई. इफ़ अगेन आई प्रेस स्पेस बार, सो नेक्स्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. सो लाइक आप फाइल को लाइक अगर बहुत बड़ी फाइल है, अभी तो लाइक ये बहुत छोटी फाइल है, बट अगर बहुत बड़ी फाइल है एंड उसको रीड करना चाहते हो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, लाइन बाय लाइन, तो दिस इज़ वेरी यूजफुल कमांड फॉर यू गाइज. ओके, सो इन दैट मैनर. सो इफ विल सी लाइक जितनी बार भी मैं स्पेस बार दबा रहा हूँ उतनी बार ये कंटेंट लोड हो रहा है एंड यहाँ मोर के परसेंटेज बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स दिस मच फाइल आई हैव ऑलरेडी रेड. ओके, सो सी आई विल कीप ऑन. सो नाउ इट्स एंड. So that is basically more command for you. And if you will see more -d, so इसमें ये आपको डिस्प्ले नेविगेशन हेल्प, तो ये आपको नेविगेशन में भी हेल्प करेगा. हाउ? लेट्स सी. सो मोर -d and same license.html file, hit enter. Now see again it read the 8%, fit into my screen, and here press space to continue and Q to quit. So यहाँ पे आपको मतलब पिछली बार आपने देखा लाइक वहाँ पे कोई नेविगेशन बार नहीं था आपको कि किस तरीके से स्पेस बार से क्या होगा या क्यू से क्या होगा या फिर यहाँ पे कौन से बटन से मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं थी, बट यहाँ पे हेल्प भी दिखा रहा है, राइट? तो अगर मान लो स्पेस प्रेस करता हूँ तो आगे कंटेंट रेड हुए, एंड क्यू प्रेस करता हूँ तो डायरेक्ट वहीं पर फाइल एंड हो गए. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ यू कैन यूज़. एंड -p यूज़ करोगे तो इट विल क्लियर द स्क्रीन बिफोर डिस्प्लेइंग द नेक्स्ट पेज. सो इसको भी देख लेते हैं. मोर -p and license.html. see again 8%, it cleared the screen and then read the content. Okay, so you can keep on and you can quit anytime. So that's how you can use the more command. There are more functions to more as well, but other options you can explore if you want. Okay, using the man command you can explore the other options as well. And same with the less command. Less command also, it will help us to view text files page by page without loading the entries and entire file into the memory. Okay, and it is making practically useful of the large file. That means when you will use the less command to read any file, so it won't, like if it is very, suppose if it is very big file, so it won't load the entire file into your memory. So it will, like if you have less memory in your, like less RAM, in that case you can use the less command to load the big size of files, like heavy big size. Okay, so that's how like you can use. So let's try this less command as well. So if you see less and same license.txt file, HTML file we will open. So see, it just opened the one page and nothing else. If you'll see other options what you can do, so spacebar to scroll down on the page, then B if you will press, then scroll back one page, capital G go to the end of the file, small g go to the beginning of the file. So that also you can see. Spacebar, next page, again next page. Then we had the option of B, scroll back to the one page, right? So if I'll just scroll B, previous page I came. Then if I'll scroll, put capital G, end of the file, then small g, again beginning of the file. Okay, and if you'll press Q, quit. So that's how you can use the less command. Okay, so next command we have is the cut command. Okay, and this -ng option also, like you can use to go to the specific line number. So that also you can try it out. Let me know if you want to, if you are able to try or not. I'm not going to try that for now. Let's go to the cut command. So cut command will help you to extract the specific section of text from each line of a file. Okay, so I have already prepared 2 files. So let's go back in the terminal, and here I'll see I have prepared these 2 files, demo.txt and demo1.txt. First of all, I'll show you the contents of demo cat demo1.txt. okay, so here if you'll see, I have written first, second, third, fourth till 7, and all these contents I wrote it in a tab. So tabular separated. So come back. So if you'll see, if you want to cut some specific portion of a file, okay, so suppose if I want only the first field of my file or the second field of my file, so instead of cat command, what I can do, I can use cut -f, and if I want just the first field, then demo1.txt, it will just give me the first field. If I want the 5th field, then I can use -f5, it will give me the 5th field. So that's how you can try this out. And second, like if I want to display multiple fields, okay, अगर एक से ज़्यादा display करना है तो comma separated we can give. So suppose I want to give 4th and 6th field, so here I need to give 4,6. 4th and 6th field is displayed. Okay, and if I want to give a display 4th to 6, then instead of comma you need to use hyphen. Cut -f and see 4, 5th, 6th. So if you use comma, then only those fields, and if you will use hyphen, that means 4 से लेके 6 तक पूरा का पूरा, उसके बीच में 5th है तो 5th भी डिस्प्ले कर दिया इसने. Okay, then last is the delimited. Like if I want to read something which is delimited by comma, so any delimiter you can use. I have used comma. So let me show you that second demo file. So let me clear the screen and cat demo.txt. So here if you'll see, the same thing, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, I wrote it on the basis of comma. Okay, so it is delimited by comma. So what we can do, we need to use -d and this delimiter, then -f and the fields, which fields we want, and then the filename.txt. Okay, So let's go to the terminal and try it out. Cut -d, open braces, comma, close braces. Then if I want the second, suppose second or and fifth field, and then my file, then I need to give -f as well, -f, and then I need to give the file name is demo.txt. see, it gave me the second and fifth, which is separated on delimited by comma. Okay, so that's how you can use the cut commands, less command, more command. So cut command will be basically very useful for you guys, like if you have very big files or CSV files from which you want to do some operations and all. So these are the basic commands like which we are looking into it, so that like when we will go ahead and prepare the scripts or read the shell scripts and all, so in that time, like you will be able to basically use this command and see like how to create a big scripts based on using these small commands over there. Okay, so that's it for now. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.